How to make a paper airplane with Taylor McAfee and Jack Flatley. The only thing you will need in order to make a paper airplane is a plain piece of computer paper. Step 1. Fold the top corners inward so they create a triangle figure. Step 2. Fold the triangle downward so the top touches the bottom of the paper, creating a square figure. Step 3. Fold the top corners of the square to create another triangle at the top. Step 4. Fold the excess triangle upwards to the new triangle created. Step 5. Fold the whole paper in half vertically. Step 6. Fold each side downward halfway, creating the wing. Step 7. Throw paper to test if it can fly. Thank you for watching.